All right, what's going on? This your boy Aristotle, and I'm about to tell you my thoughts on the stock market and where I see the market going. So let's get right into it. So first of all, you need to go to Google, type in fear and greed index. At first we were at extreme fear earlier, and now we're at fear. So the key to buying is to buy when people are fearful, but that's not just one indicator of buying, right? But in my opinion, right, everyone should be at least buying some shares after this steep decline from the uptrend, right? It was 480 was the 52-week high, and now it is at 400. So we have an 80-point drop, right? 80-point drop, okay? Now, my theory is we're going to continue to drop. Hopefully not, but hey, who knows? We don't know where it's going, but I have two theories. Could we bounce from lows and go haywire? Maybe. But from what I see, we could possibly, because we keep rejecting at this line right here, right? We came and rejected this line today. So we go to the 1 hour, right? Shit. We came and rejected this line today, right? So we rejected 1, 2, 3 times, right, off this level, the 405 level on the hourly chart. So I like to go to the hourly chart and see where we could reject possibly. And we also keep rejecting off the 200 in May every time it touches. So who knows, maybe it can come back and retest before ultimately falling back down. Are we above and below the 8? We'll put the 8 EMA up, right? So where are we? Let's see. We are above and below this level. So my theory is, right, we could possibly bounce upward, touch the 8 EMA, keep coming downward, or touch this part, retest the broken support. You get what I'm saying? Retest up here, fall down. But I honestly think the trend is still bearish. Now, one thing I do want to say is whenever something is bearish like this, you follow the trend. You short the pops. So you take puts here, you take puts here, and opposite. When things are bullish, you you take the pullbacks. So this is currently a bearish trend so far, right? But are we in a bear market? Not really, because if you look at this, we're still relatively high and in a steep uptrend, correct? But we have, a pullback. So where is the market going? Do we know? We don't. But at the same time, we can keep going and looking and going over some stocks, right? So QQQ, the tech stock. Sorry, I be drawing my Fibonacci. We can remove the drawings. It's like I said, this thing is now have broken support, right? So when things break support, you are now in charge of shorting. You do not want to guess the bottom on these, right? So if this thing retests either this or that, we're going to short. I say this thing is continuing to go down. Let's see where it is. So right now it's trapped right here. So could it bounce from right here? Maybe. I'm expecting a bounce for sure from right here. One thing I do know is it should bounce. Okay, so we can mark this line white, and you see it's getting caught up at this same support, which used to be resistance, and has retested this support, bounced, came back, retested this same support. So this was once a key level. The 300 level is very, very key with QQQ. If it breaks 297, honestly, below this, we could have a free fall from there. So honestly, if you're checking the chart and you're, doing your due diligence and stuff, if you look right here, this low, so we go down a little bit lower, kind of below that low, it breaks this, we can have a free fall, right? But right now, the buyers are trying their hardest to keep the trend alive. It's not working yet, but hey, who knows? Now, what we need to know is like what type of news needs to come out. We need to keep a close eye on the news, need to keep a close eye on the market, right? I'm outside in beautiful Atlanta. So let's see, where are we? Google, right? They had a double bottom here on the 1 hour, broke out of that double bottom pattern, correct? They had a double bottom pattern right here, and then broke out, but then ultimately literally rejected off the 200 MA and came down, right? So it had a double bottom pattern, rejected right off the 200 MA and came down. So you need to always keep an eye on the 200 MA. Now, what do we need from Google? I mean, it's holding support so far. Google is the one stock that has been holding support while everything else has been falling. So this thing has still held the same support while everything else made kind of lower lows. So that's a positive sign for Google. I mean, they are a strong earning company making tons of money off ads and have not reached their peak yet, because a lot of people don't even use Google ads yet. So think about that. A lot of people don't even use Google ads. They use Facebook ads. A lot of people, you know what I'm saying? So once people see the power of Google ads and all of that, I think they'll keep doing it. It was another one I like. Of course, you need to be adding long term to some things like let's see, Netflix might not be such a bad buy, but I really like Blockchain SQ, especially right here at 84. So look at that. I mean, it's a classic bear H pattern, so if it breaks this, it could keep sinking. You get what I'm saying? And then, but it's holding this 84 level, which was a key level back in the day. You see that? How many times this level held up? This was a resistance. So this thing fell to a key level bounce. A key level again. I ain't gonna lie, I bought me some shares long term, right? So this is where I see the market going. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm Aristotle. And make sure you join Honey Drip. Let me go ahead and show you guys. You can always go to my actual site, honeydripnetwork.com, and you can come and learn, baby. You can come and get this money with us. We do not play. We trade every single day, right? So swing trading, we killing them, all of that. Scalps, bounces, all of that, killing them every single day. Every single day, we are killing the market. So you do not want to miss out on this. Look at that, AMD. We don't play. Showing you learning and earning, baby. We have a 10K challenge where I'm going to literally show you how I pretty much flip 10K, so you don't want to miss that. I'm already at 10.6, trying to get to 50K. You don't want to miss that. Join my chat, link in my bio, baby. It's about to go down. Sign up. It's your boy Aristotle. I'm out.